Want to boost your credit score fast? These tips work every time. Guaranteed. Hi, I'm Your Name, and today I'm sharing the best tips and strategies to improve your credit score. Whether you want to buy a car, a house, or just save money, these tricks will help you get there faster. Let's dive into the top ways to improve your credit score. Pay bills on time, every time. This is the biggest factor for your score. Set reminders or use autopay so you never miss a due date. Keep your credit card balances low. Try to use less than 30% of your credit limit. For example, if your limit is $1,000, don't owe more than $300. Under 10% is even better. Don't apply for too much credit. Every time you apply for a loan or credit card, it adds a hard inquiry to your report. Too many in a short time can hurt your score. Check your credit report for mistakes. Go to annualcreditreport.com and get your free report. If you find errors like late payments you didn't make, dispute them right away. Build positive credit history. Use a secured credit card or become an authorized user on someone else's card to start building good habits. Here's a game-changing hack. If you have a credit card, pay down the balance before the billing cycle ends. This lowers your reported balance and boosts your score faster. Improving your credit score doesn't have to be hard. Just follow these tips, and you'll see results. Hit subscribe for more credit hacks and strategies, and let me know in the comments which tip you're trying first. Let's raise your score together.